Have you ever picked up a product and felt this one looks expensive before you opening it? This feeling is not an accident, it's designed. Today I'll show you my full design process from a blank page to premium nuts packaging. This video is include logo design, brand identity, packaging Dieline, packaging layout and 3D mockup. This is not just a design, this is a story. The project is a premium nuts brand. This brand is for people who care about health, quality and trust. The packaging must be clean, natural, confident and also premium. Every design must choose this feeling. Nothing is random. Before we design the packaging, we need the brand face. That is logo. The logo is the first impression. It must be simple, clean and timeless. Before I start sketching, I look for inspiration. I explore premium brands, logos and packaging on Behance and Pinterest. This helps me understand how premium brands use space, how simple shape feels powerful and how calm design creates trust. After that, I start sketching and test letter shapes and balance. For a premium brand, I avoid loud colors and complex shapes. The logo should feel trustworthy, like a brand you can believe in. Once the logo feels right, the rest of the design becomes easier. Now, move to the die line. The die line is the structure of the box. It decides how the packaging will fold and open. Think of it as the skeleton. If the die line is weak, the design will fail. We start with basics measurement, width, depth and height. Those three numbers decide the size of the packaging. At first, the final packaging was planned as a pouch packet, but the client wanted a more premium feel. So we changed the plan. We designed an outer box for the first impression and a pouch inside to hold the product. After fixing the size, I create a final die line. This includes creasing area for folding, trimming area for cutting, bleed area for safe printing. These details protect the design during production. I choose a clean box shape that feels strong and premium in hand. These steps look simple, but this is very important. I will create a separate video only about packaging die lines. In that video, I will explain every detail clearly. So you can create die lines for almost every kind of packaging by yourself. Now, I define the mood board of the brand. I collect inspiration from premium food packaging, natural textures, depth and rich colors, minimal design style. This mood board guides every decision. It keeps the design focused and clear. It stops over design. This is where the brand starts to feel alive. Now, the real design work begins. I always start with structure, not color. First, I place the logo, not too big, not too small. Next, I work on typography. This includes the product name, weight, and key text. After that, I place the product visual. Here I use AI image generation. Instead of searching for stock photos, I create custom visual using AI. After generate the image, I vectorize it and customize it for the final layout. When the prompt is clear, the result feels professional and unique. Next, I add brand details and product information. Product description, ingredients, barcode and QR code, and other legal and recorded text. This step very important. Packaging is not only about nice visual. It's about designing with information. Everything must be clear, readable and well organized. Only after that full layout is ready. I add the final colors. I choose colors by thinking about the product itself. This process is very helpful when a brand has many variants. All products follow the same structure, but each one can have its own color. This creates a strong and consistent brand system. Finally, I refine spacing, balance and white spaces. And remember, premium design is calm. It does not shout. Every element has space to breathe. Every detail supports the brand story. Now I focus on the final detail. I refine visual balance, spacing and alignment, text hierarchy, brand tone and style. These steps turned a good design into a complete brand identity. When someone sees in the box, they should fit quality instantly. A flat design is not enough. So I bring the packaging into Blender. I place the Dieline and make the modeling of the box and add the texture, add some real lighting and real materials and others details, and render the design. This shows how the packaging will look on a real shelf. 3D mockups helps people imagine the product before it even exists. From a blank page to a premium nuts packaging with a strong brand identity. This is not luck, this is process. Remember, good design is not about speed. It is about thinking, planning, and feeling. If you enjoyed this design story, please like this video. No shortcuts, no fake result. And also tell me in the comment which part should I show deeper in the next time. Logo design, packaging, Dieline, AI prompting, or Blender. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next design story. Alvida.